Gates up and racing. Mixed Best Wildstorm is Smoking Peanut. Moving up by the rail, then racing in fourth, time away. Moving up, Jacqueline's Diamond Coterminous in between runners, Top Guy, and when it rains, it pours. Is running at the tail of the field as they race at the last 900. Mixed Best is Smoking Peanut. Moving up by the rail, racing in 30s, time away. Race towards the last 600 is Smoking Peanut, this time by about a length and a half. Mixed Best racing in second, moving up to take third corner. Fourth, then comes Jacqueline's Diamond. When it rains, it pours. Then as they swing for home is Smoking Peanut, still the leader, followed by Coterminous. Time away is by the rail, Mixed Best, Jacqueline's Diamond, and down the stretch they come is Smoking Peanut by about 3 lengths. Time away, Coterminous is on the outside with 100 to go. Jeff Zarate on his Smoking Peanut, winning this race by about 3 over time away. Coterminous close between When It Rains It Pours and Jacqueline's Diamond for your Pentafecta.
Umuusok naman eh. Ano?
Bagong luto yun.
Bagong luto.